Hi all, welcome to my channel. My dear students, in this video we are going to study about grade 8 chapter algebraic equations. In this one question I have, so we'll discuss how to solve these questions. So let us start. So here the question is multiply minus 4 by 3 x y cube by 6 by 7 x square y and verify your result for x equal to 2 and y equal to 1. So we have to multiply these two terms. This is what written in the statement. So we will do it here. So minus 4 by 3xy cube bracket and multiplication sign, and second term we have to write 6 by 7 x square y. Now we have to solve this equation what we have got here. So the numbers we have to put the like terms together. So minus 4 by 3 and 6 by 7 are numbers that we have kept in one bracket, and all the constants we have kept in the other bracket. That too the like terms together. So here x and x square are together here, and y cube and y are together in this here. Now we have to solve this. So here 4 to the 8, so minus 8 by 7 we get the answer of solving this bracket. And here the base is same x, so we can add the power. So x raised to 2 plus 1. Here y the base is same, so we can add y raised to power 3 plus 1. So the what answer we get is minus 8 by 6 x raised to 3 and y raised to 4 after solving this equation. Now in question we have given that we have to verify the result for x equal to 2 and y equal to 1. So that we are going to do here. So we have x equal to 2 and y equal to 1. That we will put in LHS. So our LHS was this term. Here we put x equal to 2 and y equal to 1. So minus 4 by 3 x. So in place of x we will put 2. Y in place of y we will put 1 power 3. Then 6 by 7 and into 2x square. So in place of x we will put 2 here, and in place of y we will put 1 here, and then we will solve this equation. So we will get minus 8 by 3 of this bracket and 24 by 7 of this bracket. So total answer we will get 64 minus 64 by 7. That is our LHS by solving this equation. Now how to solve the RHS? So RHS is what the answer we got. This is our RHS. So let us see how to do that. So RHS is here given. So now we will solve this RHS. We will put x equal to 2 and y equal to 1. So here we have kept that value, and after solving it we get RHS minus 64 by 7. So we get LHS equals to RHS, that we have to mention. Hence for x equal to 2 and y equal to 1 we have LHS equal to RHS. Second question I have written here. Let us square into minus 2.1 a square b cube. First we have to find the value of this product, and then when we have to find out what is the value for a equal to 1 and b equals to half 1 by 2. So this equation we have here, we have written this equation as it is given in the question. And now in this equation we have to group the similar terms. So numbers together we have written in this numbers. The numbers here we have written together here like this: 5 into minus 10 into minus 2.1, and all the constants we have written here such that all the similar constants are written together. So a raised to 6 into a square, that we have written, and then b square and b cube, that we have written. So now what we have is this equation, which in this there is a point 2.1. So how we will write that? So we'll write that minus 21 by 10, and so this 10 and 10 we cancel it and we get 105. Now this a we have to, the power is the base is same, so power is added to 6 plus 1 plus 2, and here also b, the base is same, so power is added 2 plus 3. So here comes a raised to 9 and b raised to 5. Now in this value 105 into a raised to 9 and b raised to 5, we'll put a equals to 1 and b equals to half, and we will see what we get the answer. So here I have kept 105 into a raised to 1, a is 1, so 1 raised to 9, and b is half, so half raised to 5. And on solving this, we get 105 into 1 by 32, and so answer is 105 by 32. So this is how we solve such equations uh, from the chapter Algebraic Expressions of grade 8. I hope how to solve this sum is clear to you. If you have any doubt, so please mention in the comments. If you want any video तो ज़रूर बताइए. और इस ये बहुत ही easy करना है. आपको बेसिक रूल पता होने चाहिए साइन चेंज के और एक्सपोनेंट्स और पावर के, तो आप इजीली ये स्कोरिंग सम्स कर सकते हो. तो चलिए, अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगता है तो लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए मेरी चैनल को. एंड थैंक यू, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.